हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। क्लिंचिंग, निर्णायक। मीनिंग, डिसाइसिवली प्रूविंग अ पॉइंट और ब्रिंगिंग समथिंग टू अ कंक्लूजन। सिनोनिम्स, डिसाइसिव, कंक्लूसिव, फाइनल। Antonyms, uncertain, inconclusive, doubtful. Example, the clinching evidence presented in court ensured the suspect's conviction. Corrode, ksharan karna. Meaning, to destroy or weaken gradually, especially by chemical action. Synonyms, erode, rust, deteriorate. Antonyms, preserve, protect, strengthen. Example, salt water can quickly corrode metal parts of a ship. Mitigate, kam karna. Meaning, to make something less severe, harmful, or painful. Synonyms, alleviate, reduce, lessen. Antonyms, aggravate, worsen, intensify. Example, the new safety measures will help mitigate the risks in the factory. Repatriation, vapsi. Meaning, the process of returning something or someone to their own country. Synonyms, return, restoration, homecoming. Antonyms, exile, expulsion, displacement. Example, the repatriation of ancient artifacts was celebrated as a cultural victory. Denouement, parinam, antim parinam. Meaning, the final outcome or resolution of a complex situation. Synonyms, conclusion, resolution, final. Antonyms, beginning, introduction, inception. Example, the novel's denouement was unexpected, leaving the readers in shock. Coerce, dabav dalna. Meaning, to persuade someone to do something by using force or threats. Synonyms, compel, force, intimidate. Antonyms, persuade, encourage, convince. Example, the kidnappers tried to coerce the victim into signing over his property. Jeopardize, khatre mein dalna. Meaning, to put something at risk of harm, loss, or failure. Synonyms, endanger, threaten, imperil, compromise. Antonyms, protect, safeguard, secure. Example, the government's silence on cybersecurity issues may jeopardize public trust. Draconian, kathor. Meaning, excessively harsh or severe. Synonyms, oppressive, authoritarian, stringent, harsh. Antonyms, lenient, mild, permissive, flexible. Example, critics labeled the new surveillance laws as draconian measures. Plausible, sambhav. Meaning, seeming reasonable or probable. Synonyms, believable, credible, likely, feasible. Antonyms, implausible, unlikely, improbable, doubtful. Example, the explanation provided by the officials seemed plausible at first glance. Fiendish, cruel, amanviya. Meaning, extremely cruel or unpleasant, also used to describe something very difficult or complex. Synonyms, diabolical, wicked, brutal, vicious, devilish. Antonyms, kind, gentle, humane, pleasant. Example, the terrorists had devised a fiendish plan to cause maximum damage. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.